Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today it's a CTS model, and we're going to show you a problem with those Cadillacs and sometimes Chevy and Buick. So our windshield wipers do not work. If you try them on, okay, as you can see, they do not work at all. And most people think it's the windshield wiper motor, it's a fuse or something. Of course, check the fuse first, but it's not the actual windshield wiper motor. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, this is the motor. We have the video how to remove the motor on Cadillac CTS on our channel. If you need help, feel free to check it out. And the motor actually it's working. Stay with us to see how we're going to fix it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, now that thing right here, that circuit board right here, the one that has all the electric stuff controlling the motor and the different speeds of the motor, that's what we need to replace, not the whole assembly. Okay, and this one, it's Cadillac, it's supposed to be OEM product. What you need to do, there is four bolts that you need to remove. This one, this and this, with a star looking screwdriver set or bit set. Okay, right here, and just remove all four of them. Okay guys, here it is, and now we removed all the bolts, and now you just need to move it back and forth a little bit. It has a seal that gets stuck, okay, and it comes out of there. This is the old one and this is the new one. And you can actually test the motor yourself by giving negative and positive to those and see that the motor will spin and will run. And now all you need to do is you need to get the new one, and when you get the new one you just need to make sure that it lines up good. Okay, it goes on in a certain spot and just press it down. Make sure that nothing is in the way and you're not damaging it by pushing too much on it. And all we got to do now is install the 4 screws. Okay guys, all we got to do now is install the new assembly and see how that works for us. Okay guys, we put it back together and now it's the time to figure it out. Okay, look at that. Working perfectly fine with the old motor and just the new board on top of it, the regulator, that computer brain thing for the windshield wiper motor. I hope the video was helpful to you guys and save you some trouble and some money instead of putting too much money or maybe buying a windshield wiper switch. So stay with us, subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.